Welcome back to my channel, Miss Alona. Today's video, I will show you guys. I have my C-Shag wireless lavalier microphone for my birthday as a gift. So this video is not promotion or going to pay me. I just going to get a video for this for my birthday. So let's go guys, samahan nyo akong mag-open dito. Itong wireless microphone. Dalawa po siya guys. Yan, tapos meron siyang sample dito guys sa phone. Maliit lang siya guys. Tapos meron siyang I think small charger. Meron siyang pouch. Tapos extra this one, extra cover for the microphone. Tsaka meron siyang dalawang charger. It's really tiny guys. It's very handy. Ito lang yung charge mo Charge mo to. Sample natin guys dito. Dito yan. I think I need to charge this one first. Hindi pala siya nagwo-work ng guys. Hindi siya nagwo-work ng regular iPhone. Kasi malaki pala siya. So yung work pala niya Samsung or mga Google phone. Kasi iba pala yung saksakan ng iPhone. Ito. Pero pag may Google phone ka naman, yung okay to. Yeah. Hindi siya sa iPhone guys. Sa iPhone. Siguro sa try ko lang to dito sa iPhone 13 ko. Hindi siya pwede sa iPhone. Kasi iba yung C-port. Pero pag may ka naman, yung iPhone or not iPhone, like Google phone, yung regular lang, pwede to. Thank you pala sa nagbigay nito. Thank you so much. Appreciate. Kasi meron naman akong ano, yung Samsung. Pwede to sa Samsung. Hi guys, don't forget to hit bell button and subscribe my channel, Miss Alona. Thank you guys.